Have you ever felt the sting of regret over lost time and missed opportunities? Do you sometimes wish you could go back and change the past? It's a common feeling, but what if I told you that the universe has a way of restoring what seems lost? Today, we will explore how the universe can help us recover lost time and opportunities, turning regret into hope and transformation. Let's delve into this fascinating journey and discover the divine timing, universal laws, and mindset shifts that can bring new possibilities into our lives. Lost time and missed opportunities often feel like irreversible setbacks. These moments can linger in our minds, creating a sense of regret and longing for what might have been. Whether it's a career opportunity that slipped away, a relationship that didn't work out, or a goal that we never achieved, the feeling of having missed out can be overwhelming. However, it's essential to understand that these experiences are a natural part of life. They teach us valuable lessons and shape who we are. Divine timing is the belief that everything happens for a reason and at the right time. This concept suggests that the universe operates on its own schedule, orchestrating events in our lives in a way that aligns with our highest good. When we miss an opportunity or feel that time has been lost, it might be because the universe has a better plan for us. Trusting in divine timing means believing that everything unfolds as it should, even if it doesn't match our personal timeline. The law of attraction is a powerful principle that states we attract into our lives what we focus on. Our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs send out vibrations to the universe, which then responds by bringing similar energies into our reality. If we dwell on regrets and missed opportunities, we may attract more of the same. However, by shifting our focus to positive thoughts and visualizing our desired outcomes, we align ourselves with the universe's abundance. This alignment can open doors to new opportunities and restore what we thought was lost. One of the most crucial steps in restoring lost time and opportunities is shifting our mindset. Moving from a place of regret to one of acceptance is transformative. It involves letting go of the past and embracing the present moment. Self-compassion plays a vital role here. We must forgive ourselves for perceived mistakes and recognize that every experience, even those that seem negative, contributes to our growth. By adopting a mindset of acceptance and gratitude, we create space for new opportunities to flow into our lives. The universe communicates with us through signs. These signs can come in various forms, such as repeated numbers, synchronicities, or sudden insights. Paying attention to these signs can guide us toward new opportunities and help us make decisions aligned with our highest good. Being aware of these universal messages requires mindfulness and openness. By staying present and attuned to the subtle signals around us, we can better navigate our path and recognize when the universe is restoring what was lost. Trusting the universe's process is fundamental to restoring lost time and opportunities. This trust involves having faith that everything is unfolding as it should, even if we don't see immediate results. Patience is key. Sometimes, the universe takes time to align all the elements needed for our desires to manifest. By trusting the process and maintaining a positive outlook, we allow the universe to work its magic. This trust reassures us that what is meant for us will come to us at the right time. While trusting the process is essential, taking inspired action is equally important. Inspired action refers to steps we take that feel intuitively right and are aligned with our goals and desires. These actions often come from a place of inner knowing or a gut feeling. By acting on these intuitive nudges, we collaborate with the universe in manifesting our desires. Inspired actions can lead to unexpected opportunities and help restore what was seemingly lost. Our personal narrative, the story we tell ourselves about our lives, has a powerful impact on our reality. If we see ourselves as victims of lost time and missed opportunities, we may continue to experience these feelings. However, by rewriting our narrative, we can change our perspective and open up to new possibilities. This process involves shifting our focus from what we have lost to what we have gained and can gain. By creating a new, empowering story about our lives, we invite the universe to support us in achieving our dreams. Gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting abundance and restoring lost time and opportunities. When we practice gratitude, we acknowledge the good in our lives and shift our focus from lack to abundance. This positive energy attracts more of the same, creating a cycle of blessings and opportunities. Developing a daily gratitude practice, where we consciously acknowledge and appreciate the good in our lives, can significantly impact our mindset and reality. Staying open to new opportunities is crucial for restoring what was lost. Often we become so focused on the past that we miss out on present and future possibilities. By maintaining an open mind and heart, we allow new opportunities to come into our lives. This openness can lead to unexpected blessings and experiences that we might have never considered. Embracing new opportunities involves letting go of fear and trusting that the universe has our best interests at heart. The universe has a remarkable way of restoring lost time and opportunities. By understanding the concepts of divine timing, the law of attraction, and shifting our mindset, we can align ourselves with the universe's abundant flow. Recognizing universal signs, trusting the process, and taking inspired action further support this alignment. Rewriting our narrative, practicing gratitude, and embracing new opportunities open the doors to endless possibilities. Remember, what seems lost can be restored in ways we might not expect. Trust in the universe's plan, stay positive, and watch as new opportunities unfold, bringing hope and transformation into your life.